Reasons why I hate these wheels. The salad shooters. Actually, no, they're beautiful. I think they look great on this car. But you know what? Summer starts in about a day or two. I can't go on driving this car with these wheels. They look horrible. They need to be refurbished. So, I was planning on taking them off, stripping all the clear coat that's left on it, polishing them, and then re-clearing. Now, I would take them to one of those places that do refurbishing wheels and powder coating, but they want a ridiculous amount of money. And yeah, not gonna happen. Money's a little bit too tight. By the way, huh? How do you like that? Lights are working beautifully. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this car and we're gonna take it to a group of guys that I trust with wheels and wheel alignment. You guys been there before. They did the wheel alignment on the Dart. Well, that's where we're going. But we're taking this. We are taking this because these 4 boxes do not fit in the Corvette. Oh, I'm not gonna let you see them just yet. All right, so let's move this one out of the way, get this one out of the garage, put this one back in the garage, and then we'll take a ride. By the way, welcome back to the channel. Haven't driven this in a while. Yeah, it has a check engine light. That came on the other day. I pulled the codes. I can't tell you off the top of my head what the codes are, but it has something to do with the cats. So I did purchase one of those cans of Cataclean, I believe they call it. But I made the mistake of filling the damn tank. And when I read the instructions afterwards, because you guys know I don't like to read instructions because I believe I know what the hell I'm doing, until I realized that I don't. Anyway, it says that I shouldn't have more than a quarter tank. So we're gonna have to drive this until it gets down to a quarter tank. All right, so this thing is beeping back there. Check out the backup sensors from back in 2006. You see that little light over there? Shows orange and green. I wonder if there's really something in my way. I can't trust it. I prefer a camera. Anyway, we'll just keep backing up until we hear something. Get crushed. Okay, I think we're all clear. They pretty. Anyway, here's that can. Where's that can? There it is. Cataclean. So I did some research, and supposedly this is the stuff that you need to clear that code. So keep my fingers crossed that it works. All right, let's get the Corvette in the garage. Yeah, these fog lights, they're just not doing it for me. They may be coming back off. Go back with stock. Okay, so the car is running nice and smooth and steady and quiet until you can hear all that noise. There's a lot of racket back there. And I discovered that it's the wicker bill spoiler that I put on the back. It rattles. Sounds like hell. So we're gonna have to address that eventually. Let's get to the tire shop. Okay, so I don't remember if I mentioned I'm going to drop the wheels off at the tire shop, and then I'm gonna hump it back to the garage, park this, take the Corvette, go back to the wheel shop, get the wheels installed, then drive back to the garage, get back in the Magnum, and pick up the salad shooters. Yeah, that's gonna take like half a day. So bear with me. The end result should be beautiful. Hopefully, I'm hoping. Let's keep driving. All right, excuse me, we are here at my favorite tire shop. Well, they do tires, front end, mufflers, shocks. They do it all here. But they don't open till 8. It's only 7:38 right now. So we're gonna sit here and wait, drop these wheels off, get back to the garage, get the Corvette, bring that back, and get the wheels installed. Okay, so the wheels are dropped off. Here's the Corvette. You know I had to take the target top out. Let's get back to the tire shop. Okay, the Corvette's at the shop. The wheels are there. They're about to get started. I cannot record because they are playing music inside, and I don't want a copyright strike. So we'll see you in a little bit. So there it is, folks. Wheels are all on, balanced, installed, torqued down. Looks like a pickup truck in the back. We'll have to wait for her to settle. We'll take her for a ride, and we'll see what it looks like when we get back to the garage. See you in a little bit. Well, there she is, folks. She's all done up. New wheels are on, and the stance is not so bad. I'm thinking maybe a little bit of a drop. I hear they have bolts that you install on the back and it drops it a little. And then they have pucks for the spring in the front that drops it a little. I think that will set it off completely. It would be one of the nicest stance. Be honest. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? I think she needs a good cleaning. And she's ready to roll. Okay, so at this point, where was I? 60-40. All right, 60% I would get rid of her. 40% I would keep her. I think we're at 50-50. 50-50. I'm thinking if I tint the windows all the way around, including the windshield, 20% smoke, I think that's when I'll keep her. And you know what? It's only a matter of tinting it. So let's just say she's a keeper. She definitely is a keeper. All right, so I have to get back into the Magnum. I have to go pick up the stock wheels. I will have them redone, whether I'm gonna do them or I'll send them out. That depends on the price. If I can get a decent price on restoring the stock wheels, I'll go for it. If not, I'll do it slowly, get it all done myself. I'll attempt it at least, right? So, and then we need to get back on this thing. Time's running out. Anyway, folks, I think that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you stayed to the end. Let me know what you think in the comments, please. All right, we'll see you with the next video. Thanks for watching.